If you're sick, here is an app that can help you learn more about your health condition and possible causes. Here is how the app works. It starts off by building a profile about you. So you'll need to provide your height and weight, what medications you're taking, if you have any kind of allergies, as well as if you have smoked recently, if you have high blood pressure, and if you have diabetes or not. While providing this information is not necessary, it can help the service provide you much accurate results. Once you're done building your profile, you can actually start with the symptom assessment. And then it will ask you who it is for. So I'm going to select myself. And then I need to provide what symptoms I'm having. So it has the search for symptom option if you're not really sure what you're having. I'm just going to enter fever. And let's go ahead with that. And then there will be a bunch of questions that the app asks you based on the symptom and other information you provided. These questions can take roughly 3 to 5 minutes, not more than that. Once you're done answering all the questions, it will give you a list of possible causes. For me, it's saying that I might have pneumonia, and then it also has a list of less likely causes based on the questionnaire as well. Under possible causes, it also mentions if for a specific cause medical advice is needed or not. And I can actually get more detailed information about the cause along with the likelihood as well. So it says that for whatever I answered, 6 out of 10 people have the same condition and they have the following symptoms. Now you can always read more about the cause as well, and then there is risks, symptoms, what kind of treatment is available, prevention, and prognosis. Apart from symptom assessment, the app also lets you have access to your assessment history. So if you have used the app before, you can always look back and see what cause you had when you did the assessment before. There is also a condition library where you can enter a specific condition and get more details about that condition. So these days, a lot of people are searching for common cold, bowel syndrome, depressive episode, and then you can of course get more detailed information about the cause, what kind of risks are involved, symptoms, diagnosis, and other things. Now the app is not supposed to be a replacement to medical practitioners, but I think it can provide better information than getting information about a condition from an online forum or from someone who does not have any medical background at all. I think ADA is a really useful app if you're just curious and want to know a little bit more about the condition. Let me know what you think of the app through comments. If you know of any other alternative service that does better, please let me know as well. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you find it very useful.